Command prompt, also known as cmd.exe or cmd, is a command line interpreter application available in Windows operating systems. It provides a text-based interface for users to interact with the operating system by typing commands and receiving text-based output. Some of the key aspects and features of command prompt include: interface. Command prompt presents a simple text-based interface where users can type commands and view the output directly within the same window. Commands. Users can execute various commands and utilities provided by the Windows operating system, as well as third-party applications installed on the system. These commands perform tasks such as file management, system configuration, network diagnostics, and more. Batch scripting. Command prompt allows users to create batch files, which are scripts containing a series of commands to be executed sequentially. Batch files can automate repetitive tasks, configure system settings, or perform complex operations. Access to system utilities. Command prompt provides access to a wide range of system utilities and tools that are not always accessible through the Graphical User Interface (GUI). These utilities include disk management tools, network diagnostics, system information, and more. Customization. Users can customize certain aspects of a command prompt, such as the font, background color, window size, and buffer size to suit their preferences. Access. Permissions. Certain commands in command prompt may require administrative privileges to execute. Users may need to run command prompt as an administrator to access these commands and perform privileged operations. Compatibility. While command prompt is a native feature of Windows, it also supports many commands and syntax conventions from Microsoft Disk Operating System, providing compatibility with legacy applications and scripts. Powershell integration. In newer versions of Windows, command prompt coexists with Powershell, a more powerful command line shell that offers advanced scripting capabilities and access to additional system management features. Overall, command prompt serves as a versatile tool for system administration, troubleshooting, and automation tasks in Windows environments, providing users with direct access to the underlying functionality of the operating system through a text-based interface.